How to add someone on IMO. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are looking for a way to add someone on IMO, first of all launch open the IMO application on your device and make sure you are logged in. Once you're inside, go to your chat screen and inside the chat screen at the bottom left, tap the plus icon. Now in the pop-up, click on Add Friends. Now, go to the top of the screen and type in your friend's phone number you want to add. Enter the person's phone number and click on the Add button. If the person is not on IMO yet, you can also invite them by clicking on the Invite button at the bottom. You have 3 different options at the bottom. You can go ahead and invite them with your Facebook group, Facebook feed, or invite via SMS. Choose any one option at the bottom to invite them. But if the person is already on IMO, you'll be able to tap on the Add button to add them. So that is how you can easily add friends on IMO. Once they accept and joins in, they'll be added inside the Your Contacts on IMO tab at the bottom. So that is how you add friends on IMO in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.